What is up, everyone? This is Tuzlo, and today I am going to be unboxing my package from Carbon Microsystems. So, I ordered a couple of pieces from them, or I should just say 2 pieces. I'm actually really excited to see their quality products and stuff. If I do like their stuff, obviously I'm going to go ahead and order some more, but overall, like, just the packaging alone is incredible. They got like this hard cardboard all stapled up, protected the edges of the box itself so nothing gets crushed, because all this is carbon fiber stuff and you don't want this to get crushed. So I can't pull this out with one hand. Seems like they got tape stuck inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and show you guys. But overall, the packaging itself is really great. Like, I could probably pull this one out. Maybe? No, it's taped. But look at that. Like, this stuff right here is all around the box. You can see all the way down there. So it's holding it up. It's not getting crushed. That's what I love about people like this. Just packing stuff incredibly well. So don't mind my new Garfield carpet. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out for you guys to see. So as I pull this out from the box, so this thing is ridiculously light compared to the one from the TRD spoiler. Really light, probably half the weight. They sent me a little envelope here. I don't know what it has. I think it has a pen. Ooh, it has a pen. Carbon Microsystem. I'm gonna take this to work. Hopefully I don't lose it. What else do they got on here for me? So it's just a invoice of what I ended up paying. So here you guys go. I'm not gonna hide anything. So the carbon fiber bonnet rain guard for the ST205 hood, paid $250 for that. I can't find the original one anywhere, and if I do find it overseas, it's probably gonna cost the same thing as this carbon fiber one. So might as well get the carbon fiber one, right? The center blade, the mid blade, or whatever you want to call it, for the TRD spoiler for the 7th generation Celica. It does have a manufacturing defect, but from the pictures it looked like it was underneath the blade. So we're gonna go ahead and see. I didn't really buy it for the carbon fiber blade itself. I bought it to replace my broken TRD spoiler one, my original one with the 3rd brake light. I tried fixing it, it didn't work, so I'm gonna try a different method, but in the meantime, I decided to buy this one. Maybe if I like it, I'll keep it. If I don't, then I'll get rid of it. Didn't cost that much, 227 bucks. Seems like whatever. And then obviously the shipping, 60 bucks. So 537. Don't want to say that's cheap, but I also don't want to say that's ridiculously expensive. So I'm okay with that. I'm not tripping. Throw those in there because that has my information. But let me go ahead and unwrap these. Just a thin layer of bubble wrap. Nothing too crazy. Oh, and they wrap it in like wrapping paper. So let me go ahead and get this out of here. I gotta show you guys this. Hella clean. Hella clean. And it has hardware. Look at that. Hardware included. Wow. Holy moly. This is nice. Focus camera. Sheesh. So their defect, where is it at? Oh, here it is. Look at that. So it would be mounted like this. So the damage is right there. Does the other side have it? No. So saved, I don't know how much I saved. I think I saved like about $100 or so. I'll have to go ahead and double check, but dude, that's nothing. I can't even see it when it's on the car. Look at that. It would go like that. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh, already scratching it up. But here's the piece I actually did need. Kind of cool that they do have it carbon fiber gloss on the where it would go like this, so you could be able to see down into it, carbon fiber. But on the underside, they did have an option for you to pay for this to be gloss, but obviously I don't care. I really don't. So I just wanted this just because it deflects the water down away from the exhaust manifold, which is where my exhaust manifold sits right here. And I'll show you guys right now what I mean. Can you tell it's been raining pretty hard? So guess this morning it stopped raining, so might as well give it a chance to install my new rain guard. And this is what I mean, guys. Let me move a little bit closer, not step on a landmine here, but I basically have to cover this. Oof, that is really wet. I basically have to cover it because you can see it's right above my exhaust manifold. Like, check this out. Let me see all that water. So you can see my bolts are starting to rust up. That's not fun. You can see my, look at that. That thing's just rusting up. So, oof, right there, my alternator bolt. Luckily, we don't live in a state that rust is really bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Looks like we got a couple of 10mm bolts, 3 of them right there, 3 of them up top, and let's go ahead and install it real quick. So after reviewing how this would mount up to there, I actually don't have the clips required. So you would need 5 clips. 1 right there, 1 right there, right there, right there, and right there. But I kind of told myself, you know what, that seems kind of dumb. I don't have these clips. 1, 2, I feel like these clips over time will vibrate and just fall off and whatnot. So I decided to do the, I guess, quote unquote better method. I'm going to be installing some riv nuts. And what is a riv nut? Riv nut is this. Basically, you make a hole and it allows threads to be there on the hole without welding anything. And this has been proven to be actually really good, and they hold really well. Because I actually have a riv nut on this one over here, where this post for the strut, or for the whatever you want to call this strut, for the hood, the prop, this hole right here, the original thread for the bolt broke when I took it out. So I drilled it out and I put this thread in there, and now it's doing its job perfectly fine. So the holes are not big enough, actually, the holes there. So what I ended up doing was I ended up using a step-up bit. So if we go to my shed, I ended up using one of these right here. So I went to this one right here, and so basically you do 1, 2, 3, and then you are able to put the riv nut through there, and that is going to be the end result right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put them all, riv nuts on all of them, and then put my guard back on. Golly, this phone can't focus for shit. So there you have it. I already got them installed. Careful while the camera starts to focus. So got some hardware right here. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So check that out. Can't really see it, but hey, it's a cover. It's gonna do its job. Looks nice. So I'm glad I got that. Now it's easy to remove and install in the winter time and the summertime. Put it on, but you can see I got some washers installed. That one has a washer because the hole was too big, but other than that, we got every single one. So easy to remove. Does it vibrate? No, it doesn't. So that's cool, man. Jesus, the sun. So that's awesome. I don't think they sell some for these, But honestly, this is the one that was really bothering me that I didn't have, because just the water was just landing all right here on top, and you can see all this stuff is starting to oxidize. Carbon Microsystems, you guys are great. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, this thing cracked already. You can see the crack's only been getting worse. It's more noticeable on the bottom side. Oh God, it's gotten really bad. You can see, oh look, it already cracked right here. Oh my God. So then we gotta take off this nut, gotta take off that nut, and gotta take off this bolt right here. You can loosen the nuts up that hold the base in place, and you can pull somewhat just so you can clear the stud from the mid blade. And I was able to do that, so I can pull it out and I can come over here and disconnect my third brake light. Oh, it broke again. Jeez. So do not ask if the mid blade is for sale, because I am not selling it. I will fix it at a later date. Until then, it's just gonna sit there. I'm probably gonna find a better spot for it though, because I feel like right there it's gonna break. It's just gonna fall down and break even more. I could maybe squeeze it between right here and just let it live there for a good while. So we gotta move this back a little bit. Yep, so it's gonna live up there for a good while. Already it looks great. So I ended up reusing my old hardware, just kind of like having original hardware. And you don't even have to do it super tight, because when I was turning it by hand, it felt like it was kind of cracking a bit once I got it tight. So I feel like that should be okay. I will go ahead and recheck them later down the road. I already put my bolts back on, or my nuts back on for the mount. And gonna go ahead and put our covers back on. I'm gonna see if I can get some carbon fiber covers, maybe kind of match the spoiler a bit, but I'm already liking the look, guys. So hopefully the sun doesn't interfere with the damage or the defect, manufacturing defect. It's right there. You can see the line, but honestly guys, like, I can't even see it. Look, back up a little bit. What defect? Like, you can't see it. Dude, this thing looks nice. Oh my God, this thing looks nice. Wow. I'm happy. I'm really happy. The quality of this is just amazing. Like 10 out of 10 quality. The only downside about it, geez, I can't speak still. The only downside about it is that it does not have a third brake light. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and revert back to the third brake light. You guys remember I have a video on how to switch from the third brake light to this working, to only this working. So now we're gonna go back, follow our old video, go back and make this one work again. Oof, the tape's peeling up there. We're probably gonna go ahead and peel that off anyways, because we're gonna start using it. But other than that, crazy how it looks, man. Looks so damn clean. Very happy with the products I received from Carbon Microsystems. I will for sure be buying some more parts from them if I do need some stuff from them. I know they got a couple of ST205 parts that I've been looking at, and I know for a fact that I can't find anywhere else. So I may be buying some of the what I've been eyeballing is the carbon fiber cowl, the wiper cowl for the ST205 or 204, since that's what I have, and the hood spoiler as well. So possibly in the future, not right now because I already did spend a pretty penny with them. But overall, it's well worth the money. You guys won't be disappointed. I'm really happy with the result, and yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Thank you, Carbon Microsystems, for some quality product, and be sure to check them out. Link down below to their website.